Is your Progress Telerik apps broken by the Telerik Windows Controls Resources DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's walk through the automated process to fix your installation. To begin the walkthrough for Telerik Windows Controls Resources, you can choose the manual path or use a resource designed for environment stability. This is the Telerik Windows Controls Resources, the localized resource library for the Telerik UI suite. It houses the text strings and icons for charts and grids. If missing, specialized financial tools will display generic error codes or a UI with missing labels, preventing the user from navigating data tables. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. This problem affects a core Windows DLL. Start command prompt with administrator rights and run sfc/scan now, so Windows can verify and restore system files such as Telerik Windows Controls Resources. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Telerik Windows Controls Resources. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type loctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and re-establishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Using an incorrect or unverified version of Telerik Windows Controls Resources, DLL can trigger a domino effect within your runtime environment, causing unrelated professional applications to fail without warning. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. For users seeking clearer system diagnostics, the link in the description references tools related to managing the Telerik Windows Controls Resources environment. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching Telerik Windows Controls Resources today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.